reflects a passing neon stream, a silent movie in a waking dream. My breath follows the window, draws a line between the city's posts and mine. Stations blur like names I used to know. The rhythm of the rails begins to slow.
诚挚太脆，只能把它拆开听透。
Carries me deeper into the night. Floating on the neon rail, the city sleeps below. A quiet heart in a metallic shell, with nowhere left to go. The rain traces glass, the wind sings a low refrain. In this suspended moment, there is no joy, no pain. A recorded voice calls out the street.
再吵一点，别怕难听了。
Soft and fleet, the bassline hums a deep, forgiving creep. Beneath the quiet, a planted seed. Lights streak by in liquid colored trails. A map of longing written in detail. The chance to stay solitary light carries me deeper into the night. Floating on the neon rail, the city sleeps below. A quiet heart in a metallic shell, with nowhere left to go.
你一直在说话，
The rain traces cuts,
从来不
the wind
回
sings a
答。
low refrain. In this suspended moment, there is no joy, no pain, just the hiss of doors, the sigh of praise, the weight that every quiet passenger takes, a shared solitude, a gentle rolling key, while the